Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome to the new park just next to my apartment building, and this is basically an FPV whooping heaven. So I've got here the CineWhoop Eachine CineFun HD CineWhoop with my Radiomaster TX16S, trusted SkyZone 030 OLED goggles, Foxeer Wildfire, and let's have some fun here. But first, let me just turn the camera around. By the way, I'm shooting this video with DJI Osmo Pocket 2, an amazing vlogging camera, and it actually tracks me as I walk around and keeps me in the center. So yes, first let me show you what this park looks like, and then you can see the park through the eye of FPV CineWhoop. So that building with the arrow sign, that's where I live, and I can basically fly FPV from my apartment windows. And this is the park. Lots of playing area. There's this stadium, famous stadium that you always see in my videos, and this is going to be a big lake here. Imagine with the big lake here. You know what I'm talking about. I can even do amphibian RC airplanes, like floating planes, seaplanes, and even RC boats. Enough said, let's fly the CineWhoop. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.